Okay, so let's talk about sorting in Microsoft Excel. We've got a data set in front of us that we'd like to sort, and so we'll take a look at the different options that sorting brings to us. So let's start simple. We'd like to sort by age, but it's important to remember when you're sorting that even though we're interested in sorting by the column labeled age, we want to select all the data in our spreadsheet. Then off we go on the top menu bar to Data and look for the Sort button. We'll click the Sort button, the Sort window pops up, and we get a choice. First of all, we're going to visit the Sort By drop down and choose our age column. We don't have to touch the middle column, Sort on Values. We'll stick with that. And in this case, we'd like to sort from largest to smallest and click OK. And as you can see, our data has now been sorted by age from largest to smallest. But there's more, my friends. We'll keep that area highlighted, go back to the Sort button, and I'd like to start by sorting on housing costs from largest to smallest, and then I'm going to add a level of sort. And after I sort by housing costs, I'd also like to sort by entertainment costs, also from largest to smallest, and click OK. And now you'll see that our sort has changed. We're no longer sorting by age, but we're sorting first by housing costs and then a secondary sort of entertainment costs, largest to smallest. So that's the basics of sort. What I'd like to show you are a couple of the tricks to making sort more functional. And again, I want to go back to where I started. Often when I see people using sort for the first time, and let's say they want to sort on housing costs, they'll just select housing costs and then hit the Sort button. Now, if Excel has been properly set up, they'll get a window that says, do you want to expand the selection or continue? The right choice is to expand the selection. And if we leave that selected and click Sort, you'll see that then our selected area has automatically expanded. But let's say we don't make that choice. So again, we just select housing costs, click the Sort button, and we say, no, I don't want to expand it. I just want to continue with the current selection, and click Sort. I want to sort by housing costs, smallest to largest. Great, and I click OK. Now here's the problem. It did sort housing costs, smallest to largest, but it did not take the other rows of data that are associated with those particular records in row 2, 3, 4, etc. It did not sort those as well. It only sorted housing costs, column B, independent of the other data. This really does lead to an inaccurate sort. Now I'm going to undo that. And the last thing that I often get questions about is, let me do a proper sort, select all in my spreadsheet, click the Sort button, and let me just delete a level here. Sometimes what you'll get is this, column ABC, and that's not very useful. What you need to do in order to see the column headings of age, housing costs, and entertainment costs is to check this box in the upper right of the Sort window that says My Data Has Headers. Now when we check that, suddenly our labels for the columns age, housing costs, and entertainment costs appear, and at that point we can choose age, smallest to largest, click OK, and our sort has been accomplished. Sorting is a powerful tool in Excel, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.